In this video, we are going to see how we can create the SVG vector images from Adobe Firefly, and that's particularly useful for all the people out there who work with Adobe Illustrator or any kind of artwork. So they frequently need to change the colors, and that can be easily done with SVG. So if we click on the vector on the Adobe Firefly main screen, we have this two options: generative recolor and text to vector. First of all, we will generate the vector. That means we will generate the SVG images just by typing a simple prompt, and then we can use that SVG images to change the color scheme however we want with the simple color variation or just writing a simple prompt. So let's click on text to vector, and you can give any simple command like fishes flowing like Pisces sign. Let me give something else, colorful butterfly, and you can choose any kind of sign effect here. You can make it 3D, minimalism, pixel art, geometric, however you want. And right now we are generating this kind of image in Firefly Image 3, and that is perfect for artwork. You cannot even change it to Firefly Image 4 because that's not suitable for the text to vector. After that, once you're done, you will notice on the right hand side we have open in Illustrator desktop. That means this SVG images only work with Adobe Illustrator. So if you want to use the generative colors feature, you need Adobe Illustrator feature for that. So anything you like here, you can just open this up and you can just download this as an SVG file. Download has started, and let me just show you. It's going to show you this image with SVG format. Let's click on the properties, and this one is SVG image. Let's open this up, as you can see, and the quality of this image is outstanding. And not only that, you can use the generative recolor feature in Photoshop or in any other software to just change the color scheme with a simple prompt. But for that, you need Adobe Illustrator subscription in Adobe Firefly. But this is how you can generate SVG images directly from Adobe Firefly. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.